Hi everyone, this is Teacher Michelle and welcome to another episode of Unang Math. In this episode, I will be covering the lesson about system of linear equations in two variables. In our previous episode, we already learned linear equations in two variables. This time, I will be explaining what does it mean when we say system of linear equations in two variables. Okay, when we say system of equations, this refers to a pair of equations that are grouped together. Okay, from the word pair, it means two equations that are grouped together. So what is then a system of linear equations in two variables? Okay, when we say system of linear equations in two variables, this refers to a system of equations in which each equation is a two-variable linear equation. Okay, again, system of equations, or we can say pair of equations. Okay, let's take a look at these examples. We have here this first pair of equations. X plus y is equal to 6 and x minus y is equal to 2. X plus y is equal to 6. This is a linear equation in two variables. X minus y is equal to 2. This is also a linear equation in two variables. These are grouped together or paired together. So this is our first system of equations. Okay, what about this second pair of equations? We have here x minus y is equal to 6 and x minus 2y is equal to 8. X minus y is equal to 6. This is a linear equation in two variables. We also have x minus 2y is equal to 8. Also, a linear equation in two variables. These are paired or grouped together. So this is our second system of equations. Okay, now, there is what we call solution to a system of equations. And when we say solution to a system of equations, these are the values of our x and y, or this is the ordered pair x and y that satisfy both linear equations simultaneously in the system. Okay, in other words, these are the values of our x and y that when we substitute in our linear equations, then our linear equations are correct. Okay, let's give an example. We have here this system of equations x plus y is equal to 6 and x minus y is equal to 2. We will find the solution to this system of equations. Okay, take note, the values of x and y must satisfy both of these linear equations. Okay, actually, there are a lot of values that we can substitute to x and y. But let's be more specific. We will be finding the solution to this system of equations, and these values of x and y are natural numbers. So the condition is the values of x and y must be natural numbers. Okay, let's start with x plus y is equal to 6. Okay, let's say x is 1 because take note, natural numbers starts with 1. So 1, 2, 3, and so on. So if x is 1, then this is 6 minus 1, so our y is 5. Okay, what about if x is 2? So this is 6 minus 2, so y is 4. If x is 3, so 6 minus 3, then y is 3. If x is 4, so 6 minus 4, then y is 2. What about if x is 5? So 6 minus 5, then our y is 1. Okay, let's say x is 6. So this is 6 minus 6, y is 0. 0 is not a natural number anymore. So we have here 5 ordered pairs for this system or for this linear equation. Okay, what about for x minus y is equal to 2? Since this is subtraction, there are actually a lot of values that we can substitute to x. Okay, to make this simpler, we will be substituting smaller value to y so we can find x. So let's start with 1 because take note, we are looking for natural numbers. So if y is 1, then x now would be 2 plus 1, so this is 3. Okay, what about if y is 2? So 2 plus 2, then x is 4. If y is 3, so 2 plus 3, then x now is 5. This is, and so on and so forth. Okay, if you're going to take a look at this ordered pair, what will be the solution to this system of equations? Take note, it will satisfy both these linear equations. Okay, as we can see, this ordered pair for 2 is the solution to this system of equations. It means if we will substitute these values of x and y to these linear equations, then these linear equations are correct. Okay, let's give another example by answering this concept check question. Among the following system of equations, we will write O in the parenthesis if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is a solution to this system of equations. And we will write x if it is not. Okay, let's take a look at this first system of equations. X plus y is equal to 3, x plus 2y is equal to 4. So we will be substituting the values of x and y to these equations. X is 2, so this is x plus y is equal to 3. So this is 2 plus 1, then that's equal to 3. That's correct. Okay, what about this equation? X plus 2y is equal to 4. So x is 2. So this is 2 plus 2 times y. 2 times 1 is 2. So this is 2 plus 2. That's equal to 4. So this is correct. It means these values of x and y is the solution to this system of equations. So this is O, or correct. Okay, let's go to this second system of equations. X minus y is equal to 1 and 2x minus y is equal to 5. Okay, x is 2, so this is 2. Y is 1, so this is 1. 2 minus 1, 1. That's correct. Okay, what about 2x minus y is equal to 5? 2 times 2, so this is 4. Y is 1, so 4 minus 1 is not equal to 5. Okay, it means these values of x and y is not the solution to this system of equations. So this is x. Okay, number 3, 3x plus y is equal to 7 and x minus 2y is equal to 0. So x is 2, so 3 times 2 is 6. Y is 1, so 6 plus 1, then this is equal to 7. Okay, what about x minus 2y is equal to 0? So x is 2. So this is 2 minus 2 times 1 is 2. So 2 minus 2 is 0. This is also correct. So both correct to this, or both correct in these two linear equations. It means these values of x and y is the solution to this system of equations. So this is correct. Okay, now let's answer the following problems. Our first problem is, if the ordered pair A and B is a solution to the linear equation negative 2x plus 3y is equal to 6, what is the value of 2a minus 3b plus 11? So according to this problem, this linear equation negative 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. The solution is A and B. ordered pair or this is the solution. So the solution to this linear equation is A and B. Okay, the problem is we will be looking for 2A or the value of 2A minus 3B plus 11. Okay, since this is our solution to this linear equation, then we will just be substituting this value in this equation. So this is now negative 2, x is a, so negative 2a, plus 3, y is b, so this is 3b. And this is equal to 6. Okay, look at this one. This is positive 2a, this is negative 2a. This is negative 3b, this is positive 3b. Okay, to make this same with this one, we have to multiply this one by negative 1. So we have to multiply the other side also. So 6 times negative 1. Okay, negative 1 times negative 2a. So this is now positive 2a, and negative 1 times 3b is negative 3b. So we now have here 2a minus 3b. So 2a minus 3b, they are now the same. Okay, 2a minus 3b, this is equal to 6 times negative 1 is negative 6. So 2a minus 3b is equal to negative 6. Okay, now, we can now get the value of 2a minus 3b plus 11. 2a minus 3b is 6. So this is a negative 6. So this is negative 6 plus 11. So the answer to this problem is positive 5. Okay, moving on to our last problem. Let's also answer this one. If the solution to the system of equations 2x minus 3y is equal to 3 and ax plus y is equal to 7 is the value of x is b, the value of y is negative b plus 4, we will be looking for the value of a minus b. So we have here this system of equations or this pair of equations, and according to this problem, the solution to this pair of equations is x is equal to b and y is equal to negative b plus 4. So it means x is b, y is negative b plus 4. Okay, if you're going to take a look at these equations or this system of equations, in this first equation, if we will be substituting the values of x and y here, we can actually find the value of b. Okay, if we will be substituting in the second equation, there will be two variables. So we have to use this first equation to find the value of b. So this is 2 and then x is b. So 2b minus 3. Y is negative b. So this is times negative b plus 4. And this is equal to 3. Okay, let's solve. So 2b and then negative 3 times negative b is positive 3b. Okay, negative 3 times 4 is negative 12, and this is equal to 3. Simplify, 2b plus 3b is 5b, and this is equal to 3 plus 12, 15. So it means b is equal to 15 divided by 5, 3. So b is 3. Okay, now that we know the value of b, which is 3, we can now also find negative b plus 4. So this is negative 3 plus 4. So this is now equal to 1. Okay, now that we know y is equal to 1, okay, we can now substitute this one in this second equation, which is ax plus y is equal to 7. So let's get ax plus y is equal to 7. So x is 3. So a times 3, that would be 3a. Okay, plus, what is y? 1. So this is plus 1 is equal to 7. So 3a is equal to 7 minus 1, 6. So it means The value of A would be 6 divided by 3. So A is 2. So what is then the value of A minus B? A is 2, so this is 2 minus B is 3. So 2 minus 3, then the answer to this problem is negative 1.